inclusion for me means leveraging the diversity that you see in everyday people.
The promotion of diversity.
Recognizing our differences, but celebrating them.
The perception, the belief, and the reality that you belong and you have a place in a community.
Having a community in which people's opinions are listened to, are thought about, and discussed in a positive way.
Today we hosted the Unity and Inclusion Summit, which is a global event that 500 has hosted around multiple cities around the world. It's a celebration of diversity and inclusion in tech to talk about best practices and ways to build very inclusive, thriving organizations, but also to celebrate and showcase kick-ass leaders in this space doing amazing work in VC, in entrepreneurship, and innovation.
It's the first of its kind here in Miami. I applaud 500 Startups by having its second office in the United States in Miami.
Miami is a small ecosystem yet, and I think every time such a good event happens, you have to go to participate.
Although there are many limitations that are out there, that you just have to pursue your goals and not let anything stop you, regardless of what you think those limitations may be.
To help start whatever we started here, to bring it to the next level, we're already talking about bringing together more leaders to communicate our shared mission to the community at whole.
So we hope that people today came out inspired about the amazing work that's being done to give an opportunity to everyone to build a very successful organization in tech, despite of your background.
Don't let whatever background you come from stop you from connecting with others.
My hope is that folks go back and take the message to heart, apply it in very small ways, but consistent ways over the course of their lives.
Go for the right person at the right time. Don't look at the color or the language or the accent.
Build a strong community of diversity.
With unity and inclusion, we can become stronger. Everyone's strengths can come together and make it happen.
Really take to heart the views of people that are unlike you, because it may get you and your team closer to the goals.
And so not only is it the right thing to do, but it also is pragmatically a better move.